everybody, it's Nikki, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. And yes, I am wearing a Trixie Mattel shirt because she is life, she is queen, she's just everything. She's amazing. So here's my slime collection. There's only 4 because my mom threw out most of my stuff because I got in trouble. That was a while ago. And here is a Crazy Erin Thinking Putty. It's the glow in the dark iridescent one. It's really dirty. It's in there since it doesn't dry out. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Mind this is just where I keep my thing. It's just another thing. So I've got this slime. I like to call it peaches and cream. Just a peach fluffy slime. Yes, I made all of these slimes except for the big container. It's a cream cheese that my friend gave to me. It's a little sticky because it stayed in the thing overnight. You know, it is super fluffy and so much fun to play with. Haha, fun to play with, not to eat. Play-Doh. I'm just gonna swirl it. That wasn't the greatest swirl, but you get the point. You get the point. The second slime we have is I like to call it Sky Blue Floam, or just the sky, because I like to think of these little clouds. So, these awesome foam beads. And it's super crunchy. It's so much fun to play with. And I can swirl it, but you know, I just love the crunch part. Like when I swirl it, it just crunches. It sounds so cool. Whoa, there goes the lid. People are like, oh, you're not supposed to poke foam, but this foam doesn't, it's like not just all foam beads. There is some slime in, so like you can poke. See? And you can hear it. Some foams, it's like completely just all foam beads. Like, not saying that's the wrong thing to do, but you can't really poke that. But this foam, you can. Next slime that we have is a purple, pinkish, fuchsia, jiggly slime. So, yeah. Super jiggly. It is so fun to play with. It's one of my favorite slimes ever because I just love poking it. It just bling, 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 bling. Got a little on me. This slime is like Sloam. I said Sloam. I was thinking of Floam on it. This slime is like a poking slime. Like you can't really like swirl it, if you know what I mean. Like it's just fun to poke. And just so fun. This last slime here is my cream cheese. And it's just a nice little baby pink. I did not make this. My friend made it and she gave it to me because she just didn't want it. She has a lot of slimes. I used to have them as much as her, but then again, I got in trouble. Thanks, Mom. She threw out most of my slimes. Most. She didn't throw out those. It's just a punishment. It's not even on camera. Sorry. Don't mind that. It's just my brother. He's mowing the lawn. So yeah. And that is my slime collection. Don't fall. So yeah. Guys, I hope you like this quick little video. And yeah. See you soon, I guess.